Okay, we are on integration. Integration is just the process of finding the original function whose derivative is given. So I'm saying that it's just the process of finding the original function whose derivative is given. In other words, we call it the anti-differentiation. That's opposite of differentiation. So integration is just the opposite of differentiation. That's why you call it anti-differentiation. So under it, we'll be looking at indefinite and definite integrals. Well, indefinite integral, assuming you are given a function whose derivative is to find the original function. So we'll cross multiply this dy equals asn dx. We now introduce what we call the integral sign. The integral sign is just an elongated x, so integral dy integral that. So integral of the anything is that thing, so this is y. Integral of the y is y, so which is asn ds. So this is what we call integration. We are asked to integrate this. And how do you normally do it? Just bring out the constant, because a and n are constants. So bring out the constant, the coefficient, the constant that is the coefficient. So we now integrate. And how do you do it? This is just, remember we brought out a, this add 1 to the power, divide by the results, and after constant. So you'll be wondering, why did you add constant? Constant, remember that if you differentiate a constant, it gives us 0. So we can't get the original constant without giving condition. So we can't just get the constant. So we assume let it be k. So this is just what we call integration or anti-differentiation. So that's it. So let me give you some example to illustrate this. Example, if you are asked to evaluate the following. Maybe the first one, integral of 2x squared dx. The second one, integral of maybe 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 dx. So let's solve this. So from here, this is integral of 2x squared dx. Remember, I told you something. How do you do it? Bring out the constant. We add 1 to the power and divide by the result. So after you add plus constant k, so our answer is 2 over 3x cubed plus k. So that's our evaluation. So the other one, remember this now, it has more than one term, so we just integrate each. So it's now integral of 3x squared dx plus integral of 4x dx plus integral. Just integrate each of the terms. So we have, applying this, 2 plus, remember 3 is constant now, so we have 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus, we have this 4x plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus, remember you can write 5 as 5 raised to the power 0, 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus k. So our final answer is now this 3, so we have x cubed plus this 2, so 2x squared plus 5x plus k. Remember, plus constant, because even if you add plus k, this one has its own constant, so they will always result to a bigger constant. So that's our answer, that's the evaluation.